All right, my friend, imagine this. You're standing at the edge of the biggest opportunity of your life, and most people around you are freaking out. Bitcoin's dipped it, and the panic is real. But here's the twist, it's not a disaster, it's a blessing in disguise. If you ever wonder how the wealthy stay wealthy and build generational prosperity, it's moments like this. So grab a coffee or something, or whatever you drink, and let's talk about why this dip isn't a setback. It's your setup for an incredible future. So, what just happened? Let's set the stage. Last week, Bitcoin came so close to hitting $100,000 per coin, like $200 away. It was the ultimate tease. Then, boom, an 8% drop. If this is your first Bitcoin cycle, I got it. You're probably sweating. But let me tell you something. In the grand schemes of things, this dip is tiny. Like, if dips were animal, this one is an ant. Historically, Bitcoin cycles see multiple 20 to 30% corrections along the way. And guess what? Those dips are opportunities. You know who said it best? Adam Back. He's like a Bitcoin's legend, and he's famously said dips exist to transfer Bitcoin from weak hands to a stronger hands. That's what's happening right now. So let's break it down. Who's selling during this dip? It's mostly one short-term investor. Those are people who bought at around $68,000 per coin and are now cashing out because they make a quick buck. They're the ones who don't really understand Bitcoin long-term potential. And two guys, whales taking pocket change. Then you got the OGs, the whales who bought Bitcoins for under $1,000. They are selling tiny amounts for lifestyle upgrades. Like, oh, let me sell this 10 Bitcoin and buy a yacht. It's like that. But here's the kicker. While they're selling, the smart money is buying. People like Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy. This guy isn't playing. Last week, he bought another 50,000 Bitcoin for his company, bringing their total to a mind-blowing 386,700 Bitcoin. That's billions, my friend. And when people ask him if he's selling, he said nope. Why would he? He thinks Bitcoin's going to $13 million per coin in 20 years. And you know what? That's his conservative predictions. His bullish case, $49 million per coin. Now wrap your head around that for a second. Okay, now let's talk about why dips are pure blessing. You know the rich, whether it's Bitcoin, real estate, or stocks, they don't panic during downturns. They see dips as clearance sales. When the rest of the world is selling in fear, they're buying in confidence. Here's the secret sauce, guy. The wealthy hold on to assets they believe in. They don't sell their real estate, their gold, or their Bitcoins because they know these things grow in value over time, and that's why they stay wealthy. They don't trade, they accumulate. This is exactly what's happening with Bitcoin right now. Weak hands are panicking and selling, and the strong hands, the ones who understands its potential, are gobbling it up. This redistribution happens every cycle, and each time Bitcoin's network becomes stronger and more decentralized. It's honestly beautiful. All right, let's get to the juicy part of why you should see these dips as your golden opportunity. One, history proves it works. Look at Bitcoin last cycle. 4 years ago, it hits $20,000, then dropped to $16,000. People freaked out. And then, boom, it's exploded past $30,000 within weeks. Bitcoin has a ways of doing this, scaring people, consolidating, and then skyrocketing. Two, demand is insane right now, guys. Demand is through the roof. We got ETF pouring billions into Bitcoin. Corporations like Rumble Video adding Bitcoins to their balance sheets, and mining giants like Marathon Digital issuing bonds to buy more. What the heck? This isn't speculations, this is adoption. And three, scarcity is working in your favor. Let me remind you, there are only 21 million Bitcoin ever. That's it. As the supply tightens and adoption grows, the price has nowhere to go but up. So every dip is like finding treasures on sale. And trust me, you don't want to be the person looking back in a few years wishing you bought during moments like this. Now, I'm not saying go all in recklessly. That's how you end up stressed in. Here's how to do it right. 1. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. This is the strategies where you buy a fixed amount of Bitcoins regularly, no matter the price. It takes the guesswork out of timings the market and lets you build your position steadily. 2. Focus on fundamental. Remember, Bitcoin isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term asset designed to preserve and grow wealth. Where am I at now? Oh, number 3. Stay cool, okay, guys? The biggest mistake you can make is panicking. Wealth isn't built by those who get scared. It's built by those who stay calm and seize the opportunities. Here's what excites me the most. Bitcoin isn't just about making money. It's about creating a new kind of wealth. One that is global, decentralized, and unstoppable. As more companies, institutions, and individuals adopt it, Bitcoin's potential keeps growing. We are not just talking about $100,000 per coin anymore. We're talking $1 million, $10 million, and beyond. Why? Because Bitcoin's design is flawless. Its scarcity is unmatched, and its adoption is accelerating. Every dip is a step closer to your future, guys. So, my friends, here's the takeaway. Dips are blessings. They are opportunities to build wealth, not lose it. If you found this talk helpful, hit that subscribe button and join me for more Bitcoin insight. Share this video with a friend who needs to hear why they should not panic. And remember, hold it tight and stack it right. Take care.